Hi everybody, today I'm going to do a circle swipe. This idea comes from Greta Lee. Greta is one of my paint pouring people. So she had a great idea, it's very simple, and I want to show it to you today. What I'm going to do is I'm using an 11 by 14 canvas, and I also have a kitchen turntable that I'm setting it on because I'm going to be swiping in different directions, and this is going to make it easier. I have a piece of scrap cardboard cut to size, and I'm just setting it down. That will steady the canvas a little as I turn it. I'm not taping it down, not doing anything special, because I'm just turning it slowly. If I was doing some wild stuff, you could anchor it down, but this is going to be good enough for this situation. I'm going to start out with a wet white background, which is almost always the way to go. It gives your paint, kind of greases the skids on your paint. I'm going to spread it around. Let it go over the sides. All right, I'm going to start out in the center with black. And a touch of gold. Now I'm going to start with colors. Here's where the variation comes in, which I haven't done this before. I thought this was really cool. I'm going to pour this in a circle. See, the cells are coming up already without even touching it. Varying the colors. Blue, this is Bluebird. This is my Happy Medium paint ready to pour, my own personal paint. And if you would like to know which colors I'm using, they are listed in the description below the video. Now, if your bottles are really full, which mine usually are, you can pour some into a cup. I had some of this flamingo color in a cup, so I just want to use this. So you can go as far as your canvas allows. Now I'm going to take my little spatula and I'm going to start swiping from the center out. Turning as I go, it's easier to swipe towards yourself. See, the cells are popping out. Now, if you start running out of center color, I want a little more black going on, so I'm going to pour a little more black back into the center. Remember, just because you do something once doesn't mean you can't come back and add to it. So I'm going to come back out here with my black. I'm looking for a little black to be drugged all the way out. Yeah, see, I like that. I'm using a light touch. I'm not swiping clear down to the canvas. You want to make sure you don't dig all the way down. So this is like a starburst, or it could be a flower. It's whatever you want it to be. I'm going to take a look here. I want some more black to come out here so it's a little more uniform. Just get some of this black to go out. I'm going to take my candy apple stick and I'm going to drag some of this color back in here, which will add to the starburst kind of look, or flower look. So I'm going in between here where my swiping tool did not go, and I'm dragging the color back to the center. It just defines it a little bit. All right, I'm looking at what I did here. I really like the way this is flowing over the edge all the way here. There is a white spot over here that I'm not real crazy about. This is a choice. You can either leave some of the white background or get rid of it. In this case, I think I'm going to get rid of this white spot, and I'm going to drag some of this yellow over the edge. As well as right here, there's a little bit of a dry white spot. And I'm going to take the pink and yellow and just cover that up. I think that's going to be a little more pleasing to me. Now I'm going to turn this so this is towards me. Now on the other hand, this white area is kind of cool because of the way the cells blend into the white. So I'm going to leave that. But I also see a couple more spots here with white. I just want a little continuity, a little more flow, and I'm going to help it out by using my palette knife. These are just judgment calls. Just because it's doing something doesn't mean you have to leave it. You can do what you want. Here I have some little yellow dragging back into the pink, so I'm going to do it right here as well, because I think that makes it a little more interesting. And also, black is such a great swipe color. If you'll notice, these cells over here are outlined in black. It's really dramatic when you use black as a swipe color. I really like it a lot. Black and white are the colors most often used for swipes, and you can see how black can really define your cells. If that's the look that you're going for, it's really cool. So that is a circle swipe. Remember, it's just your swipe color in the middle and then go around in a circle with different colors. And I want to thank Greta Lee for this really, really simple idea. Hers came out really good. Mine's almost as good as hers. So anyway, I hope you'll give this a try. If you would like to support my YouTube channel, you can do so through PayPal. I have a Patreon page. We also have merchandise at paintpouringpeople.com. And if you need supplies, I have an Amazon shopping list with all my favorite paint pouring supplies. Check it out. The link's below. And also join our Facebook group, Paint Pouring People, if you want to see some great paintings from all my paint pouring people. Well, that's where Greta Lee is, among many other people. We really have a lot of fun over there. Post your paintings based on my videos. I'd love to see what you do. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell to be notified of new videos. And if you want to try my Happy Medium paint, it is happymedium.fun. The link is below, and I've also listed all the colors that I've used in this painting today if you want to do the same thing. So thanks for watching, and we will see you next time. Thanks.